going to see a book named Max's Valentine. Ruby is decorating her Valentine's cards with candy hearts. Max wants just one piece of candy, but Ruby says no. Then Max gets a Valentine of his very own. What could be inside? Max's sister Ruby pasted a Be Mine heart on a Valentine card. Max wants a Valentine too. No, Max, said Ruby. You will eat all the candy. Be mine, said Max. Ruby shook Yum Yum glitter on her next card. I need all the candy for my Valentine, Max, said Ruby. Ruby used every single piece of Valentine candy. There was nothing left in the jar. The mailman took the Valentines away. Nani Tripura. Eat your lunch, Anna. The mailman took the Valentines away. Eat your lunch, Max said Ruby. But Max didn't want his lunch. He wanted candy cupids. Suddenly there was a rattle, bang, flap at the door. The mailman was back. He just had a Valentine just for Max. It was from Grandma. Inside the envelope was a whole colony of chocolate ants. Be mine, said Max. Be mine, Max. Bye-bye. Sweet talk, be mine.